BM English speaking radio channel presents BM English Word of the Day. My name is Prachiti and I am your host for this episode. You are listening to episode number 41 of season 3. Today's word is elated. Elated means to fill with joy or pride, to be extremely happy or excited. With BM English speaking radio channel, learn one new word every day and impress the world. In this English vocabulary lesson, you will learn how to use the word elated. We are sure that this ESL lesson will help you to enhance your English vocabulary and speak English fluently and confidently. Elated is spelled as E-L-A-T-E-D. The University of Arts and Science had organized a cultural festival. They had invited participation from colleges and universities from all over the world. To their amazement, almost 40 colleges participated. The committee members who had organized the cultural festival were highly elated as they received appreciation from students, parents, and all the guests. This means that the committee members who organized the event were extremely happy or overjoyed. Listen carefully how we can use the word elated in 8 different sentences in 8 different situations. Example number 1 of 8. Preeti had launched a YouTube channel. The theme was about enhancing soft skills and the target viewers were corporates. Within 6 months of the launch, she got over 1 million views and thousands of subscribers. She was extremely elated at this success. We can also say Preeti was elated at her phenomenal success. Example number 2 of 8. The mall owners were elated after reviewing the last quarter's revenue figures. The overall revenues of 3 months had surpassed the average revenue of the entire year. Moving on to example number 3 of 8. The new political party that came in power worked diligently for the progress of the country. They strengthened the infrastructure and increased employment opportunities. This accelerated the economic growth of the country. The citizens were elated at their wise choice. Example number 4 of 8. Sumati received a courier package a day before her birthday. Her aunt had sent her a beautiful hand-printed sari from their hometown. Sumati was so elated that she wore the sari to her office the same day. We train English learners in vocabulary development in our advanced English fluency course at our training centers in Mumbai. But don't you worry, if you don't stay in Mumbai, we have an online English fluency course for you too. To know more, visit our website www.bmconsultantsindia.com. Example number 5 of 8. He had enrolled for a communication improvement workshop before appearing for job interviews. After completion of the course, he appeared for several interviews. He was elated as he was selected in every interview and finally got his dream job. If you are an introvert, what are you waiting for? Example number 6 of 8. In a particular rainy season, the rainfall was more than expected. The farmers were elated as the crop flourished. This means that the farmers were more than happy as the crop grew very well and they knew that they would earn good profits. Example number 7 of 8. The author of the motivational book was elated as the revenues earned from the sale of his first book crossed rupees 1 million within the first year of its release. This motivated him to write another book. Example number 8 of 8. Rahman enrolled himself for a student exchange program. He had to travel to another country for 2 weeks and had to live with a local family. His host family welcomed him with warmth and care. This experience elated him, and he recommended this course to other friends also. Today we learnt the word elated, which means to fill with joy or pride, or to be extremely happy or excited. Now quickly frame 3 sentences with elated and type in our comments box. We are waiting. We are sure this lesson has helped to develop your English vocabulary and speak fluent English. Do subscribe to our podcast, BM English Speaking Radio, and stay tuned for new English vocabulary lessons. This was episode number 41 of 200 BM vocabulary episodes that we have planned. Kindly note that we will be releasing one vocabulary episode daily at 6 am Indian Standard Time. So meet you tomorrow at 6 am with a new word. Till then, take care.